Pinoy's Podcast.
May nakita akong comment.
Anong nakita mong comment?
Dati, yung PR nag-iipon para makapunta sa PR compound.
Oh, tapos?
Ngayon, PR nag-iipon para makaalis sa PR compound.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
That's deep, bro.
That is fucking true.
Hey!
That's just how it is. Dude, that's just how it is, man. Like, living together for so many years, you figure out na parang maybe I should get the fuck out of it.
We are not living together, okay?
No, this is literally
We are neighbors, you know?
Exactly. That's what living
Difference,
together
you know?
is, bro. Ano gusto mo puta sa pare-pareho ng kwarto ganun? What's the
Hindi.
fucking difference, man?
Ibang
Dude, our
bahay
house
na,
is literally connected to each other. Okay? So ano pinagkaiba niyan with a house na yung mga kwarto na nagse-separate?
environment, okay?
What do you mean
everything, bro.
environment,
Everything,
You
bro?
will
man.
never know
Everything,
kasi you have
yeah.
never tried it, bro.
I have
It's
tried it.
everything,
Okay,
bro.
I've lived with my siblings.
It's different,
That's your
man.
siblings,
Yeah,
bro.
that's your
That's your
siblings, man.
siblings.
Ano ba gusto niyo mangyari? Parang summer camp ganun. Ganun din yun. I like the environment, you know. I go out of my room. It's the outdoors, bro. It's like provincial. That's like provincial life. You know? I mean, parang,
Yung labas, provincial life.
yeah, bro. It has trees, it has plants, it has animals. There's like a banana tree and like guava tree there. There's like, dude, there's like chickens outside. What do you mean,
Put the
bro?
chicken now. Kaya tot.
Like lizards. There's Chuchi, you know, taking a shit everywhere, bro.
Kakawala yung aso dito eh. Parang gutom na gutom lagi.
Like, see? Chicken nga, di ba? Like, he goes out, there's rats everywhere. See, provincial.
Number one, bro.
That is not provincial. That is definitely not provincial.
Patay ko sila
No,
eh.
that's provincial, bro. Puta, nasa Nueva Ecija ako. Puta, pinakita yung mga dagang mo. Wala na.
O tara, Gina, Jay, oy. All this
What-
discussion
Tama,
is
tama.
sayang, bro.
Yeah.
Tara.
What do you
Recording,
sayang?
recording.
We've been recording. This is it.
Oh,
We're
we're recording.
starting.
We back.
We're starting.
Let's go.
We're starting. The moment yung tinanong sinabi ni Neil yung comment.
That's
Yun na yan.
starting
Start na yun.
naman. Recording ako eh.
Nah, bro, starting. That's it. That was the tangent right there. Okay. See?
Tangina ko yun pala. Wala, parang di pa tayo nag-intro ah.
No, that's it. That's the intro. It doesn't have to be
What is
para.
that, Megan?
Oh, hindi naman kailangan ganun yung intro.
Hindi
It
ba
could be
kailangan
just,
ganun?
you know. Hindi mo
It's
straight
a-
up. Dude, if
Tara, simulan na natin, go.
like, no. Like, if imagine, like, you're listening to Pinoy's podcast, the previous episode, sobrang gulo natin, di ba? And then,
Okay.
nag-outro tayo, di ba? Thank you for the, goodbye, ganun. And then,
Bigla
suddenly,
mag-autoplay.
and then, nag-autoplay, dun sa sinabi ni Neil na tipo, may nakita ako comment na ganyan. Tapos, then we started talking again. O, di ba? So,
That
tuloy
is the
lang
podcast.
usapan, di ba?
That is
See?
the podcast, bro.
O, di ba? Putang ina.
Yeah. Okay. I see you.
Trust in the process, okay?
You cooking.
I see you.
He's doing one of those, alam mo yung shorts na, like, it's a fucking loop. Even though it's a whole video.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung mga ganong shorts, he's doing that shit, bro.
Let your host cook, okay?
Ken, saan mo nilagay yung dagang nahuli mo?
Wala na.
Oh, yeah.
Na-dispose na
bro,
namin.
Saan,
nakita
bro?
ko sa...
Bro, nakita ko sa daan.
Nakita ko sa daan.
Gabi dumadaan ako. Sabi ko, ano tong malaking ano na to? Nakaganon
Sabi
ako.
ka, dyan kinatapos ko na akin.
Sabi ko kay
Natapos na akin.
Neil, puta, huwag kang dumaan dyan. Yung nagluto ako ng ano nun eh.
Oo.
What
Ano
the
yung tawag
fuck?
doon? Nagluto.
Yung curry.
Yung curry, putang ina. Pagkatapos ko kumain, yung nakita ko sa
Wala na.
Disgusting.
Katagal pa pala eh.
Okay, wait. Okay. Nababuhay na naman yung mga dugo niya, okay?
Oo.
Alright, this is actually the topic I want to talk about. Like, what makes you
Okay.
feel alive, you know? What engages, what riles up your fucking... Hindi not necessarily what triggers you, okay? Just
Jabol.
Just what makes you feel alive, okay? Wait lang.
Yung daga sa daan.
Alright, yung daga sa daan.
It's gone. What the fuck? It's been
It is gone.
for how many days now?
That's gonna be our main topic. Yung main topic na pag-uusapan lang for 10 to 15 minutes while we just talk about random tangents for 1 hour. Okay, so yun yung ano natin. But before we start, yun the last podcast, medyo nag-init si John, si Ken. Pretty much everyone got super engaged.
What are you saying, bro?
Hindi, parang
Okay,
hindi nga
ito.
nag-init eh.
Okay, wait
Nah,
lang.
Sabi
bro,
lang
dapat
nila ang
i-mention mo.
nasa loobin nila.
Hindi. That was my natural shit. That was me normally, bro.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
how I am normally.
Yeah, but you don't...
Ba't hindi
that's-
pinapansin pag di ako nagsasalita sa mga last podcast? Dapat yun ang pinapansin nyo. Hindi yun.
Okay, tamo.
No, because you didn't do that. You didn't explode like that back in the...
Ngayon nga lang yun nilalabas yung tunay na siya.
Kaya
Yun yung
nga.
normal ko.
Kaya nga, okay. Well, I'm not saying it's not normal, okay? I'm just
Hindi,
saying...
gusto ko, ayaw ko magsalita dyan. Huwag kayong magsalita.
That was a W podcast, bro.
Okay, wait. Okay, so we need to moderate a bit. Okay,
Natapos ko na.
Sabay-sabay daw tayo nagsalta.
Okay, wait
Bukas
lang. We
na.
need to moderate kasi like although hinayaan ko lang actually kayo doon kasi like ngayon lang kayo naging super engaging ng ganun. But yung pinanood namin ni Deng Chan yung podcast like literally I fucking knew it. Wala kami naintindihan kasi everyone was just yapping over each other. So, okay, just to make things, easier and better for our viewers and our listeners. Pag may nagsasalita na isa, let him cook muna. Pwede ka mag-blurt out ng random fucking word or a one-liner, pero you don't talk like a whole fucking sentence over the guy who's talking.
Hindi na Pinoy yun.
No, here's the thing. There's a proper way to do it. Kasi ang mahirap sa atin, tangina 5 kasi tayo. Okay, sana kung 2, 3, okay, nagsasalita ng sabay. Pero putang ina 5 tayo eh. So mahirap. Okay. Alright. So,
pwede na magsalita.
Pwede ka na magsalita. Go.
Oskilisyo.
Okay, yeah, I agree.
Nagantay lang ako ganun kata. Joke lang.
Oh my God.
Ako pinanood ko yung podcast na there are probably, I don't know, di ko naramdaman yun ever. Maybe I'm just too happy like, oh wow, these fucking people are agreeing with me.
Of course, see, you got the validation, bro. You got the validation. There you go.
I thought I was gonna get cancelled or some shit. I don't know.
You're like Homelander.
Oh, you were
Expect mo na yan.
Alam mo yung Homelander.
Yeah!
I'm smarter. I'm better.
Yung pinatay niya sa harap. Then
Yeah,
pumalakpak yung mga tao.
alright.
Like, oh.
Pagpasa, oh shit.
Speaking of Homelander, we should watch season 4 of The Boys.
Let's go!
Oo nga,
Ano?
no?
Ito nga pala, no?
Yeah,
Oo nga, no?
Dapat
Sabay-sabay natin
sama-sama pa tayo.
pinapanood. Oo nga.
Panoorin natin sa
Ano
Discord.
na nangyari sa atin?
We fell off, bro.
I fell up, bro.
Hindi tayo brothers. Fuck, bro.
Nag-ano na naman kayo? You guys are going over each other na
They're
naman.
talking each other. They're talking over each other, bro.
Si Neil ka talaga. Skill issue ka rin. Ay,
Bakit?
nagsasalita pa si Chris eh. Tapos inaano mo na.
Umagri lang ako kay Chris. Sabi niya, manood tayo. Sabi ko, manood tayo.
You agree mo, isang sentence. Pwede mo na sabihin, oo nga. Ikaw like, oo nga, hindi na tayo nag-ano eh. Kasi
Don't give me that thumbs up.
Okay.
So, pag may nagsasalita, wag ng tabunan. Pagkatapos,
pwede ka
sana
naman.
magsasalita. Alright? Okay. Gets. Nakita ko rin sa mga comments. Sa mga comments ng mga viewers natin na...
Oh, you see that one comment? You see that one comment?
What was that?
One comment.
What was that one comment?
Yun lang,
One
that's it.
comment.
Yung
Okay.
minention to yung ano.
Okay. Pwede,
It's just one comment.
pwede ka naman mag-react like, like, for example, wow, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Vampire, right?
Yung pinanood natin sa ano.
Yun, ganun.
Sa reaction, walang react.
Okay, so yun. Hey, speaking of The Boys, by the way, yung first 2 episodes, in advanced screening. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
In advanced screening siya to certain people. I was invited to it, but by courtesy of Den Gerard, pero hindi ko na kinuha kasi I was too busy. But let me just say that sabi daw
Oh my
niya,
God.
The Boys what season is itong latest season? Is gonna be so freaking fire-mite. It's gonna be so good. So sabi daw niya, for those na hindi pa nakakanood ng The Boys, panoorin nyo na. Also, you have to watch Gen V.
Oh, yeah, I haven't watched that.
I haven't watched it. So you have to watch it because it ties up with the new season and it's really good din daw in Gen V. So,
Gen V.
Yeah, we should watch it.
Gen
If
V,
you
Gen
guys
5.
want to watch The Boys again here in the house, let's just watch.
Let's do it.
Gen V.
Basta sagot mo yung pizza.
Tama!
Chris, you know what to do, man. You're just 2 hours away.
2 hours.
1 hour actually. 1 hour away.
1 hour. That's 2 hours. Taka na.
Hindi,
1
ganito
hour
kasi.
dali sa pam.
Can I
Tarlac is
speak,
2.
Your Honor?
Ano. Yes, try nil.
Pag pupunta si Chris at manonood, syempre, mas maganda na may gawin na rin tayo para sulit yung pagpunta niya.
Like,
Pangit naman na pupunta siya dito at manonood lang na wala tayong magagawa, di ba?
that's it.
Hindi,
Hindi mapapanoorin
spoil ko na
natin.
lang
We're
kayo.
just gonna watch. Why can't we just hang out like fucking lads and not worry about
pwede naman.
work, bro? Why can't we just hang out
Sinasabi
and
ko
just
lang kasi
watch
2 hours
The
away
Boys?
siya eh. So ayos lang manood, di ba ayos lang rin.
Sa kanya na yan, okay? Kung 2 hours away siya, kasalanan niya na yun.
Basta, Chris, bayad ni Gloco yung toll saka yung gas.
Whoa! What the
Big boss!
fuck? Tangina, sunduin mo siya ng
Mr.
pick up
Millionaire,
nung
bro.
hayop ka.
Mag-uwi ka ng Neva, di
Pick
ba?
up, nakamotor lang ako.
Nah, bro. Ayan, watch Gen V, watch The Boys. It's pretty good. Para magets yung Homelander
Gen
memes
V, ako.
ni John, okay? Okay, speaking also of Tarlac, belated happy birthday, you piece of shit, Chris. Okay,
Happy birthday. Happy belated.
with his fucking Red Bull Max
Hey,
Verstappen.
this is not Max Verstappen. This is Sebastian Vettel. What are you
wait,
talking
it's
about?
the same. Okay, they're all the same.
Ano Gcash mo, Chris?
Ay, no!
Hoy!
Aldogs!
Tang,
Aldogs yan,
Gcash mo, Chris?
Send ko na lang yung number ko. Ay, ni Chris pala.
Send ko na lang yung number niya.
Number
okay?
ba ako ni
Alam ko
Chris
number ni
dito?
Chris eh.
But yeah, di ba, isa na nag-birthday ka, you actually went karting sa Tarlac.
Yes. This is the
Tarlac
first
has
time.
that shit.
Yeah.
Damn, gawa ng Pogo yun, oh.
Oh.
Oo, gawa ng
Oh
Pogo.
shit, speaking of Pogo.
No, this fucking thing has been a thing for 20 years now. Yung
Exactly.
KC2.
Like, Pogos have been a thing for 20 years.
Really? But no, man. Tangina, layo naman ng Tarlac na sinasabi mo doon sa Tarlac. Tangina, Bamban yung ano eh.
Ay, hindi ba sila
may
magkalapit?
Pogo, ano? Like, dalawang bayan ng pagitan ng bayan ng Bamban doon sa mismong city.
Nah, bro. Their networks are all interconnected. That's how they work,
jeez.
bro.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah,
Yan,
but
Chris, check Chris.
Ay, putang
Grabe.
he actually
Check your
just
phone,
sent
Chris.
you, bro.
He
Holy shit.
actually sent it, bro.
How much did this guy fucking send you? Let's see.
Let's see, bro.
Niloko mo naman. Wala naman eh.
Anong wala?
Sino mo, check
Gago mo
your Gcash,
sa
bro.
ibang
Maling
Gcash.
number.
Maling number, boy. Send mo sa akin.
Di ba
Thank
ikaw
you.
yung dulo?
Ah? Wag yung sabihin.
Cut mo yun, editor.
Ano yun? Magkano na ko? How much did you give you, bro?
I don't fucking know. Wait lang.
Check the Gcash, bro. Baka late
Putang
kami.
na. Neil, sendan mo rin ako. Tangina mo ka.
Tangina mo, Makio. 69.
Sabi na ba? I fucking knew it. I freaking knew it. Hoy, ano rin yan, ha? Putak.
Oy!
Kape rin yan.
Isang bigas na rin yan. Gago, isang kilong bigas.
Thank you. May pangkain
Ikaw,
ako.
Gloco, magbigay ka rin.
Oh, no. Fuck that, bro. Give
No,
it.
man.
No, bro. Shit.
Sabi ko na yung tol mo eh.
But,
Ayun na itol mo.
so karting though, like what was it good there? Like, is it actually
Was it
worthy
fun?
for a Pinoy Strice
Yeah,
episode?
if ever na mag-karting tayo, I would want to do it like I would to do it like it's an F1 thing. Magkakaroon tayo ng qualifying, gano'n.
Oh.
What the fuck? How does that work? Paano?
Yeah,
Qualifying?
yeah.
Time
we're-
mo, time mo,
like,
time.
magta-time tayo. Di ba sabihin natin, papractice muna tayo sa simula.
Oh.
And then, the next session, it's gonna be like, who's gonna be the fastest, who's gonna be the fastest lap within 5 minutes or sa
shit.
tatlong laps
Pakidrip.
within 3 laps, right? Tapos kung sino yung pinakamabilis, siya yung makakakuha ng parang pole position sa atin, like yung first place, bago yung actual race.
So you can actually
And then-
race like five
Isn't that
Like
public,
five
ano?
people in
Yeah.
like one
Yeah, 5 people.
in the same session.
Not
Live.
really. Kasi yung binayad ko dun is like 800 for 15 minutes. It's gonna be it's really an expensive hobby.
No, I
And-
mean like when I say in like one session, so all 5 of us are gonna be lined up, and then we're gonna race like literally.
we can,
yeah.
we can actually do
Yeah.
that. Yeah, we can
Oh.
May
actually
iba pang
do that.
tao.
Wait, na
May
puta,
iba pang tao, yeah, sure.
is there actually space to overtake and shit? Like,
Oh yeah. We
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
I kinda nung nag-session kami, I have like 5 other dudes there. It was a very clean racing na ginawa namin. You
Na
kinda
pwede mong
acknowledge
bungguin
me.
sila.
Actually, no, you cannot do that in karting because you're gonna get red flag and you're gonna get suspended if you do that. Kasi nung bago ako,
May warning ba? May warning?
Oh yeah, there's like race marshals over there who's
Oh,
overseeing the thing. Na pag tag dito, bago ako sumakay, may bago pang sa akin eh. Like talagang nagigit-gitan sila, like blatantly breaking rules there.
Bump car.
Ginawang bump car yung kart racing, and then
Nice.
they got black flag, and then they got ejected off. Nasira
Bro.
pa nga
Yung
yung isang
binayad
kart
nila,
dun,
wala
eh.
na.
bro, worth it, bro. I would do that. Worth it.
Yeah, but I advise to not do that when you're karting. You gotta respect the
Ah,
rules
bro, what
there.
the fuck? Pinoy strides to. Okay, of course we're gonna do what we're not supposed to do.
Bump car na lang tayo.
There's no fun in bump
Where's the
cars.
fun in that?
Yeah.
What's up with that?
And one thing
Bump cars
about
tayo, ganito, bump cars tayo, pero yung isa walang bump car.
Siya yung nasa gitna.
Yun ang masayahin.
Tapos naka-blindfold tayo.
Puta, oo nga, no?
Ano yung
Blindfold yung mga nagdadrive. Tapos yung isa yun. Tapos
Gago, Neil, gawin niyo sa kada yun, gago. I-propose mo sa kada yun, no? So,
Tanga na, may mamatay dun
pero
eh.
ikaw taya, gago. Ikaw yung sasagasaan.
Okay, there's this one thing about karting din. I would expect na it's gonna be so easy to like maneuver the thing. Pero puta na, nung na-try ko, tayo na, how the fuck? That's sobrang tigas ng
Skill issue, bro.
Sobrang
Walang power
tigas
steering.
Wala siyang power steering.
Dude, that's me
exactly.
every day with my car. What do you mean?
Wala siyang power steering. It's like, what the fuck is this shit? Like, kinabukasan, tanga na sakit ng buong katawan ko. It's, kaya pala, like, kaya pala yung mga F1 drivers, they fucking work out and shit. Ganun pala yung shit na nararamdaman nila. But in an F1 car.
Yeah, they have to work out their necks, diba?
Yeah, for G-force tolerance. Kasi gumaganon din yung yung katawan mo. Like, talagang i-preparsa mo rin. And one thing about karting din is unlike other vehicles, you cannot really like turn it like that. Kasi you lose grip in your wheels and you drift off.
Whoa, damn, we can drift, bro.
No, but
We can drift.
but that's not advisable since the fucking karting is all about grip.
Nah, bro. What if I just want to drift, bro? You can't tell
Because
me
if
how
you
to
drift
do it.
using a cart, you might spin off somewhere.
Skill issue, bro.
You lose power.
Dude, just control the oversteer, you know? Just throttle and
Damn, nice.
Dude.
Grabe, no? Like, super easy niya lang sabihin, no?
bro, I drifted. Like drift now. I drifted once.
You're not the one who's driving.
I drifted once. No,
You're not the one who's driving.
Oh, you guys didn't see my fucking footage. Hindi ko pa release yung footage na ako yung nag-drift, okay? Never,
Walang
I'm
footage.
just saying, no, I'm just saving
There's
it.
no footage,
Ay,
There's no
puta,
footage.
meron.
No footage,
Meron.
bro.
Kasi he didn't drift. He just drove, you know.
No, bro, I drifted. Like I did like a half donut and then that's it. I just did a half donut. That's it. Yun lang. Kaya ayoko pakita ko kasi nakakahiya. Should have made a full donut. But yeah, at least ako, puta kayo na, I didn't go-kart once. Tapos nagsusuot na agad ako ng Max Verstappen na, no? Uniform, bro.
Hey, don't talk shit about my
Bro, you've been wearing that for the past 3 fucking days,
Whoa,
man.
di naliligo.
Your birthday was like 3 days ago. You were
What do you
wearing that.
mean? What do you mean?
Yeah.
What do you
Chris,
mean?
sinasabi ni Glow, di ka daw naliligo.
Di ka daw naliligo for 3 days.
Sila nagsabi hindi ako
Damn, bro.
Then John is just chilling in the back, bro. Like, iniipon niya pa ako. Just,
Nag-bantering eh. No?
No, bro. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is this shit?
I don't know what's
Feeling ko, let's just do it, bro.
How do you just do what?
Kasi
It's too hard,
habang
man.
puputak-putak kayo about go-kart and shit, sabi ko, putang ina, ang sarap mag-drawing.
Nag-drawing?
Go-kart pala to eh.
Drawing?
Yeah, it's another term for putang inang nagpaplano na di
Nagpaplatas, di
matutuloy.
matutuloy.
Oh, yeah.
Game ako.
drawing.
Diyan
I see.
ako, game ako. Yung
Okay,
isa lang
bukas
dyan. Yung isa lang dyan yung mahilig mag-drawing pero hindi
Tara, bukas na,
pinipinturahan.
Whoa,
Yung
what
isa
the
lang dyan
fuck?
yung
Oh.
mahilig mag-drawing hindi pinipinturahan.
Tara, bukas agad. Sabi nyo, 15. May alis tayo dito. Tara na.
wait a moment. When was the last time na kayo yung nag-organize ng something tapos natuloy? Sige nga.
Yun nga, di nga
you
kami
know,
nag-organize.
Oo, di ba? Yung tangina nyo.
Puta ka na. Alam mo bakit Ito
Oo. O sige.
Ito kaya lang hindi nag-organize sa mga kasi nasa sayo rin kung kasama ka o
Yup.
hindi.
Yup.
Yeah, bro. That's not
Nah,
Eh,
it.
pag hindi ka kasama,
Wala,
wala.
wala.
Next podcast.
Wait.
Asa iyo ang bola?
Hold
Asa
on.
iyo ang
Hold
bola?
on.
Bola.
I haven't remembered anything na may inorganize kayo. Tapos tinanong niya ako, tara gawin natin. Tapos nagsabi ako, ay hindi ako pwede. When was the last time you guys did that, ha? Wala.
Yeah,
sige
but the
nga.
thing is
Oh.
that parang we know that
No,
we are
that's
going to get
presumptuous
rejected.
of you guys. That's just presumptuous of you guys. You never even tried. So
tara,
paano nyo
go-kart.
malaman? Tara.
Tara, go-kart.
Tara. This
Oh,
July.
Sabi niya, tara.
Kayo
July,
mag-organize, ha?
what the fuck na,
Kayo
bro?
mag-organize. Tingnan natin.
The
Putang ina
16.
nyo.
The 16.
The 16.
July 16?
No, June.
No!
Walang putang ina. See?
Wala na. Okay. Pagbalik. Sige.
July,
Sige,
kayo
ako na magsasabi ha.
Kayo
Ako na mag-organize.
Tinan niyo.
Ako na mag-organize katulong si Chris kasi si Chris ang
Okay.
napunta na doon.
Napunta na doon.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm giving you my word. July, I'm free as
Okay,
fuck.
pagbalik mo. Okay, good.
Set a time.
Okay, na.
You heard it, folks.
Dapat 2
Meron
weeks.
tayong
At least 2 weeks notice para sa akin ha. Nice.
2 weeks notice?
May notice sa kanya kasi bali mo busy siya.
Malay mo, putang ina. May min-max ko na yung July ko kasi alis na ako ng August eh. I'm gonna min-max my July. I'm gonna go fishing and all that stuff.
1 week notice. 2 weeks.
Gusto ko mag-fishing ko. Pwede ka naman mag-fishing kung saan ka pupunta. Ano?
Tama!
No,
Tama!
There are no bass in Tarlac, bro.
Yeah, I will try to
kung saan ka pupunta, hindi sa Tarlac.
Nah, bro. Puta, saan tayo magkakarting? Hindi sa Tarlac. Gago ka ba?
Yeah, but I will try to like see kung ano yung parang mga open times there.
Yes, scheduling.
Kasi
yes.
nung June,
You should contact them legit.
nung pumunta ako doon like nung Sunday kasi ang daming tao pumupunta doon pag weekends. But
So,
I don't
dapat
think
tayo.
weekdays.
Weekdays.
Pero alam ko, weekends lang sila nagbubukas sa
Hindi,
pagkakaalam ko.
Hindi
Ba? Kasi minsan, pag weekdays, parang minsan sarado sila. So, baka patagpo ang mga natin dyan, kung nakikinig kayo, kasi July pa naman. Baka may contact sila doon sa go-kart sa Tarlac para ma-help kami.
Ikaw na, Neil. Email mo na. Siyempre, ikaw na mag-ano.
Message mo na yung page nila sa Facebook.
Message mo na yung page nila. Tangin na yung papapag.
Bale, ito
Isang lakad lang ni Chris dun eh.
Ito pag Monday to Fridays 3 PM bukas siya. Closing niya is 1:30 AM. Saturdays to Sundays 10 AM yung bukas.
Okay.
Feeling ko weekdays pinaka para may freedom tayo to record.
Alright. Nice. Okay. Very good. So sana, and she said, welcome to Pinoy's Podcast. Okay. So, ayun. Pinoy's tries go-karting in the future. Tingnan natin kung matuloy. Basta ako, I gave my word. Pag hindi natuloy to, ibig lang sabihin, kasalanan ni Neil, kasalanan ni Chris. Okay? I will not stand for this slander na putang ina nagdo-drawing. At least yung mga ino-organize ko na tutuloy rin. Okay?
Basta budgeting yung okay, lista ko na.
Okay, sige. Game yan. We got Patreon money to spend, so...
Oh!
We got Patreon money to spend.
Damn!
Alright?
damn.
So, kaya ibig sabihin lang talaga nito, hindi na financial problem to. It's literally skill issue with Chris and Neil. Okay.
Tara ngayon na dun. Tara.
Wala na
1
pala
AM
problema
nagkatara eh. Tara na.
Alright.
Pwede naman tayong 4, no? Wala si Gian. So,
No, wala
Oh,
siya.
yeah. On the off chance na hindi ako makasama, yeah, go fucking do it. Ay,
Nah, bro. Fuck. Kailangan
Ito ba?
Kailangan mo sumama.
Ito.
Sabi mo drifting eh. Drifting
Ito.
kayo.
Oo.
I can drift in the cart. Pero ito sabi nyo, 4 lang. So, ibig sabihin, pwede rin kayo mag-podcast nang wala ako for the next 2 weeks. Tama?
Kanina mo bibigay? Kanina mo ipapasa yung bola?
Ano? Hindi.
Kanina mo ipapasa yung bola?
Just kayo, mag-organize
Ikaw may hawak ng bola eh. Ikaw magpasa kanino.
Ipasa natin kay Trinil.
Fuck!
Kay Trinil, pasa yung bola. Nice. So,
Kay Trinil pa rin. Kay Trinil. Tama.
So,
Sige.
in the next episodes, makikita nyo, for the first time ever, wala si Gloco sa podcast. I wanna actually hear or listen to what you guys are gonna talk about without me.
Next podcast.
Tangina nyo, wag naman.
Pag-uusapan namin sa next podcast.
Wag naman
Okay.
try
May
nyo
topic
naman.
na tayo next podcast, si Gloco. Okay.
Okay, sige. Or whatever, man. Because I wanna actually listen to a Pinoy's podcast na wala yung boses ko doon. Right. Nice.
Alright.
Okay. Good. So that's it. Gusto ko na talaga kamustahin si Max Verstappen.
Ang ina mo mag 30 minutes na.
Exactly. Oh, see, you guys were so worried about like see, just let me cook, bro. Wala lang sa
No, bro. Go. Continue.
Okay. So, on to the topic of what makes you feel alive. Okay, like what engages you. So, I'm talking about things na, like if you hear about it, if you see it, if you experience it, you feel good. You feel good about it, or rather, you feel excited about it. Yun. So I'm not asking yung kung ano nag-trigger sa inyo. Okay? I'm not asking like what fucking rustles your jimmies. I'm just asking What makes you feel
Ask
alive?
the question, bro.
Like, okay, that's it. So what makes you feel alive? Let's start with Ken because he hasn't been yapping all this time. Okay.
Sabihin mo
shit.
kayo oxygen.
Okay.
Oxygen, tama. Wait lang. Then.
That is true.
Well,
Makes
nasa
you feel
point na
alive,
ako ng time ko na masaya na ako. Basta kumakain ako, yun lang eh. Di masira yung computer ko, okay?
Survival is
Survival lang, okay? Yun lang yung masaya na ako doon, okay? That's pretty much it.
Tapos sige, ko nagloko.
Survival. No, come on. There has to be something else, man. You can't just.
Just set an example. What the fuck is your question, man?
Sige.
Yeah, how about you?
My bad.
Set an example, okay?
My bad.
Okay.
Show an example. Okay, so for example,
Okay.
on my end, one of the things that makes me feel alive is, let's say for example, you're in a group or you're in a gathering, and then suddenly people start talking about anime, or they talk about your favorite hobby, fishing and all that stuff. That really riles me up. Like, parang someone mentions anime and I'm like, oh, did someone mention anime? Damn. Let me in there, bro. I'm like, who's the trashiest wife, whoever? Parang ganun. So, like, what are my recommendations? Like, every time like there's a topic that I'm passionate about that gets mentioned in a random conversation, doon ako na parang na-engage talaga. Like, parang yung introvertedness ko, biglang nawawala. And then, I'm like, finally, it's my time to shine. Parang ganun. So, ganun. So, what is something like that for you?
Okay. So parang like example, kung ano tayo, like nag-aarpi tayo as Marites, you know? Pag, it riles up our blood.
It riles up our blood.
pag may inaano tayo.
Okay.
Ganun, okay.
Yeah.
Putangin na ito, I'm talking about how deep yung question.
No, it's not that deep. It's not
that deep.
I'm not asking you like what, para saan ka
Is it
bumabangon
like
or
individual kasi
Oh my
parang
God.
sinagot mo.
Nescafe.
Kala ko kasi parang ang Nescafe, ba't para sa
para saan ka
kabubangon?
bumabangon. I mean, in the simplest term, what makes you like fucking excited or happy? Ganun. Yeah, in the simplest terms, yun na yun. But you can expound a bit more, I guess.
Ako isa lang, game pa rin. Pag may game na, kinaidekan yung mga kaibigan ko, mas gusto ko pumasok doon kasi mas nabubuhayan ako kasi may kasama ako. Eh tayo kasi bira na tayo maglaro in terms of like, enjoyment lang, yung laro lang. Yung buhay, pag ganun kasi buhay.
You know, playing games for hours is a ADHD response, Ken.
Really no, I don't know.
Yes.
Basta ayun na eh.
You simulate your brain
pag ni-enjoy ko tapos
to the point na you should be doing something better that can improve your life, pero you're fucking out there playing games, wasting your time, you know what I'm saying?
pero pa akin true din, Pero yun lang akin, ang pila pag naglalaro.
Wala na, napanood ko lang
enjoy
recently.
ito, eh.
Napanood mo sa what?
Napanood ko lang
What?
recently
Na
about ADHDs and shit.
like, pero like it's not really just to clarify kasi may mga nagpa-point out din na parang if you have time management issues, doesn't really mean na may
You have
ADHD
ADHD.
ka. Okay, we're not saying that. We're not claiming everything na every skill issue namin is linked to ADHD. Okay, it's just somehow associated to it. Ganun lang siya, pero it's not like a definite sign na ADHD nga to. Ganun. Sometimes people just have skill issue.
It makes you think tuloy, you know.
Know what?
So it's normal for people to actually manage their time well.
I mean, like, not. I wouldn't say it's normal. Like, again, like you can't really say like this is normal, this is not normal. Parang there are certain factors that can identify whether if it's abnormal na ba or hindi. But that's not our what do you call field of expertise. You gotta get that shit checked out first.
So how do you explain someone na may ganong problems?
What do you mean?
If the norms is you can manage your time well, then how do you explain someone who cannot, you know?
Sometimes it's just more of like a personality trait. You know, like parang hindi ka.
Okay,
Like
so
you were brought
branch.
you were brought up let's say for example, you were brought up in a way na you don't take leadership roles. So hindi ka talaga nag-organize ng mga ganito, hindi ka nag-organize ng ganyan. You mentioned mo nga before like there are some people who grew up just following stuff. Okay, so, just following orders. Parang ganun. And doon na sila nakasanayan. So, people who can't really organize their shit properly are either suffering from something else or maybe ganun lang talaga yung trait nila na they got nurtured into not having those skill sets. You know, that's exactly how other people are excelling on this type of trait while others don't.
we branch out too much. Okay.
I'm just explaining. Okay. Yeah.
Pero yes, that's it.
Okay.
So Ken said gaming.
Still
Gaming na sa akin,
gaming.
Ano, gaming lang, like, you're just, that's
Yeah,
it.
pag, yung naglaro tayo kailan pa ba yung last time na naglalaro lang tayo?
Wala.
Like, lahat tayo 5,
Whenever.
Yun lang.
Yeah,
Whenever.
Yun lang, naalala ko lang Ziwa, that's the first.
it's
Wala.
over, bro. Those happy
It's
days
over,
are
Those days,
gone, bro.
those days are over. Yeah, tama.
Those days are gone.
Yes, yun lang.
Those days
Days
are
are
gone.
Okay
gone.
naman.
No, wait. Yun lang. Like,
Yeah, that's the only
So,
thing.
no,
Patay
like-
lang naman ginagawa ko. Daily.
pero is there like anything na parang triggers your happiness? Like when you see it.
Food.
When
bro.
you see Ken, when
You see it, Ken.
when you see
Like for example, if I see like a thick ass 2B statue, I'm like, damn.
Oh, damn, okay.
Ano, like,
tumatayo daw.
you're
Nag-go
fucking
ako ganun.
Ano, di ba?
You're so down bad.
Computer parts. Natutuwa ako.
yeah, exactly. There you go.
Gusto ko bilhin,
Yeah.
What the fuck? I want that shit.
Okay.
See?
Diba?
Valid,
Para mga
valid.
yun.
Valid.
Computer part. You
Mga
see the
computer parts,
computer.
yes. It make me feel so alive,
See, you're
Fuck.
technophile.
I want that shit. I want to grind for that shit.
Yeah, he wants to grind that shit. Damn, you down
Yeah.
bad.
Grind.
Damn, bro. Imagine sinabi mo boobs or some shit.
Oh, damn. What the
No,
fuck?
why not? Why not? Why
He's on
not?
his own shit.
Of course,
oh,
hindi ako yung magsasabi ng why not.
Why
Of course,
not?
ba?
It could be, you know. You're safe to say that. What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
Exactly. See? Ayun. All right. Anything else, Ken?
Wala na. I think that's all, bro. Gaming, yun naman na nakikita ko. Tsaka computer-related stuff.
Gaming.
Pretty much it.
Okay.
Okay.
Because I was waiting for Ken to say like how about anime figures? Like, you know, when you see
Oh, I'm past
Things
that.
like-
Pero
like
dati,
Mark-
I
pero
wanted
yeah,
to.
yeah.
Pero now, I'm past
He
that.
grown up, man. He
okay,
Yeah, bro.
So you're off that that stage or that
Yeah.
phase. Okay. There you go. All right. Nice. Good. Next, let's go with John.
No, let's go with Neil kasi
Let's go with
tahimik si
Neil.
eh.
Okay, si Neil. Pinasa yung bola sa'yo, bro.
Pinasa yung bola.
Nakikinig lang si Neil eh.
Pinasa yung bola sa'yo, bro. Neil.
Baka Vanilla yan.
Hindi ka pwede umano niya. Hindi mo pwede tanggihan yung pasa niya, bro.
Speaking of pasa, basketball, pare ko.
Okay.
Oh, very
tama, tama. Ay,
valid.
Yeah, it
Parang mga...
Nakonect
Sige,
niya yun,
go,
ha?
it's kind of true. Like whenever I see pagkasama ko si Neil like going
Yeah.
on random places, he sees a basketball court and he's like, "Fuck,
Yeah,
I
pansin ko rin
wanna
yun.
beat the shit out of these people, bro." Ganun siya. Man, these are my people. Ganun siya lagi. Puta, he gets excited seeing a basketball court.
Yes,
And
yes.
he thinks he can take on everyone there, bro.
I kind of remember, I kind of remember Neil again sa Japan. Na, putang ina, indoor basketball, putang ina. Pagpasok mo rapon, like, what the fuck is this guy doing in our basketball court? What the fuck are you, bitch?
Damn, bro.
Gusto ko lang naman tumingin. Lahat nagtinginan sa amin.
Ang
Sa
tanga na,
akin.
what the fuck is this guy? Putang ina. Akala mo
Dapat
yung
ano ka dun.
Dati mag-usap ka, ha?
Dapat nag-anime moment ka dun.
Oo,
Hinamon mo sila 1B5 ganun.
Oh.
Di ba?
I'm the MC here.
Bro.
Nahanap ako, sino yung pinakamagaling sa inyo dito? Ganun.
1v1, di ba?
Challenge their Jojo and shit, you know?
Hindi ako like nakasapatos pang basketball or nakapang ano. Tinignan ko lang. Pero basketball. Tama nga kayo pag nakikita akong may nagbobola or basketball court. Kahit sa nung pumunta kami ng wife ko sa Taiwan, may park doon malaki, as in sobrang haba.
Yeah.
Tapos may nakita akong basketball court doon na may nagbobola. Yun, talagang kahit suot ko, makashoot lang ako. Ewan ko basta, sobrang... Kasi nung mula pagkabata ko, talagang basketball na talaga yung lagi kong Kahit ganito katawan ko, sabihin nyo, di naman nagbobola yan.
Yeah. I kind of know. I'm kind of surprised of how big Neil is, and considering the fact, how big he is, he moves fast. He's like a space marine.
Yeah,
He's like a space marine on court.
He's the juggernaut, bitch.
Yeah, he's a fucking space marine on court. No one that big could move that fast in court. Holy shit!
Marami
That
rin
is talent
nagsasabing
right
ganun,
there.
yeah.
That is talent right there.
Damn, it's like one of those sayings na yung, alam mo yun, like the bee doesn't know that it's aerodynamically cannot fucking fly, alam mo yun.
Yeah.
As long as he doesn't know, he
he
will do it.
continue to fly. And John
Like one of
died.
those things. I died
He died.
for a bit.
John is dying.
Sabay kami namatay. Wala yung
Damn, bro.
obvious ko.
Holy shit,
Ano pa?
he is dying.
I am dying too. Ako rin.
Sa any physical activities, pero mostly yun, basketball, ano pa. Gusto ko yung tumatambay sa labas. Yes, kasama ang tropa. Yes. So minsan nangyari, punta sa McDo, ganyan tambay sa labas. Para lang fresh air, ganun, nakakabuhay rin yun. Kasi makakaisip ka ng mga bagay-bagay na pwede mong gawin. Yung makakalanghap ka, yun. Isa rin yun. Gusto ko rin gawin yun.
Bakit pag ginayaya ka namin, hindi ka sumasama?
Kailan nyo ko inaya ni dyan?
All the time.
Kahapon.
All the time.
Galing yung tenga ko dito sa sinasabi ni Trinil.
Yun nga
Yung ginagawa niya, yung sinasabi niya, puta, once every 3 months natin ginagawa yung huli natin, yung sa McDo pa, yung...
Kahapon, inaya niyo ba ako? Hinahanap ko kaya kayo kahapon.
Nah, bro. Ba't di ka nagme-message?
Nah, bro. Anong hinanap ka kahapon?
Yes, yung kumain kayo ng steak.
Nah, but for someone who says, dude, for someone who says that he likes going out all the time, puta, I never see you outside most of the time, bro. Why
Kasi sa loob kayo.
Why don't you pull up here, bro? Just pull up in the fucking Fort House, man. Just pull up.
Iba naman kasi yan, hindi naman dito sa compound. Siyempre.
Bro, doon nagsisimula yun, okay. Bago kami lumabas na dyan, everyone just share the Fort. Okay, nasa Fort House muna. Okay?
Siyempre, isang chat lang yun.
Nah, diba? Man.
Chat ko rin kayo kahapon. My bad.
Exactly, bro.
Siyempre, ala na rin akong motor, di ba? Ala nga naman ipagsiksikan ko yung mga unless
it works naman.
Angkas ako kay Vanilla, di ba?
Angkas ka naman kay Vanilla every time eh.
Yun.
Ako'y nakaangkas ka.
Siya nakaangkas.
Actually feels good.
Hindi lang ikaw yung walang motor. Okay, wala rin akong motor. Okay, so.
Tama.
Slow motor mo.
Just for the record. Okay, wala akong motor. Anyways, okay, continue.
Continue. Kape. Yes.
On the literal sense. Kape. Puta, parang yung sagot ni Ken kanina, oxygen eh. Oxygen. Like anything you see. Like, I mean, valid. Coffee, yeah, it makes you feel alive. Pero something na parang, like, para sa'yo, usually when people do see this or people experience this, di sila nabubuhay. Pero like, since it's something special or something that, what do you call this, may affinity siya sa'yo, yun, mabubuhay ka or gaganahan ka, ganun.
Gaganahan ka, mabuhay, ganun.
Gaganahan, ma-excite ka, you feel happy.
Yun talaga, pinaka sa akin, basketball. Yun talaga. Pero kung gusto nyo pa akong pag-isipin ng iba pa, yun yung lumalabas yun yung first thing na
okay,
sa utak ko
Alright.
basketball.
We can go back to if may maisip ka. Alright, okay. Kanino may papasa yung bola? Try nila.
Siyempre, papasok ko yung bola kay Gloco.
Ay puta, sa host agad. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Alright, so things that makes my blood feel alive. So, alam niyo na agad, for sure, fishing. Okay. Fishing makes me feel alive for some reason. As slow as fishing sounds like, or as boring as it sounds like for me, like nothing like pumps me up more than just a trip for fishing. Nagkaka-adrenaline rush ako for some reason with it. So may makita lang akong body of water pa nagda-drive ako. Like, I'm super excited. Yan ako na imamark ko na agad yun sa Google Maps ko, and I'm gonna go back to that fucking place and fish there. And I don't give a shit kung may mahuli ako or wala. It's just, para sa akin, like, the excitement or the gotcha chance of catching something is what pumps me up alive. So, yun, that fishing. And of course, pag may nahuli na akong isda, if there's like a fish on the end of the line, yun, gaganahan pa ako lalo. Another thing would be, nowadays, like, seeing anything related to weeb culture. You know, like anything like fucking like, especially if it's here in the Philippines, pag nakita akong stuff na kind of related to weeb culture or Japanese culture, I'm like, damn, okay, these are one of my people. Parang ganun. So if I see anime posters, anime figurines, anything anime related, I'm like super pumped up for that. And ganun din, like sinabi ko kanina, when there's a random conversation involving anime or anything I'm super passionate about, like I'm super engaged, I will go straight in there and start yapping about it. What else? So also, eto rin, in a literal sense, then this kind of makes me feel alive. When I drive to far away places and then I come back home safe, that makes me feel alive, bro.
Same.
Do you get that? Yung parang
Drive,
oh my God.
drive with the
I
drive with ano, ha?
survived. I drive.
Survive
I
the
just
day.
drive, bro.
Drive is broomstick.
Na, alam mo yung parang, totoo yung tipong, let's say for example, there are some people who get, I'm not saying I'm depressed, pero there are some people, nakikita ko sa mga telenovela or whatever, like, they undergo some kind of sad moment or depressive moment. And then, ang ginawa
It's
nung
called the midlife crisis, man.
no, like there's something, nakipag-break siya or something really, just something sad happened to him or her. And then the character, in the next
Goes
scene, they just go out and then they fucking drive. They drive somewhere, you know, like really fast. They parang activate yung daredevil moment nila. Like parang bahala na ako, mamatay ako, but I will drive fast, parang ganun. And then at the end of it, like they have like a sense of relief or something. So that's what I get when driving somewhere far. Actually, you know what? Going outside in general gives me that feeling. You know, like going outside and then coming back home safe. That's it. That makes me feel alive. Na parang putang hindi ako na hold up, hindi ako nabunggo ng kamote. Like no, I hindi ako namatay for some stupid reason. I made it out safe. So parang mission complete, quest complete. So, yun lang, surviving makes me feel alive for some reason.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
It's connected to your brain, by the way.
Nah, what
Yung ganong feeling.
Na what?
Yung paglalabas ka, mas clear yung utak mo. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi pag nandyan ka sa kwarto mo,
Kulob.
hindi, like,
I get it.
Kasi like, yung setup kasi natin ngayon is kung nasan yung place of work natin, doon din tayo natutulog. Doon din yung place of resting natin. So parang wala tayong in between. We're always in the middle, you know? We're constantly thinking about work while at the same time like parang resting in a way. So like, alam mo yun. Kaya feeling ko ganyan kasi ganyan din ako. Pag nakakalabas ng kwarto, parang mas relief. Tas may mga times na pag uuwi ako, isipin ko, putang ina, uuwi na naman, pukin ng ina, fuck this place. Kasi like parang isipin ng utak mo, like fuck, like that place kung saan ka pupunta yun is always like there's always something to do, alam mo yun, na kailangan mong gawin, like parang babalik sa'yo yung responsibilidad mo.
I thought you were gonna lead off to like parang same, kasi dito sa bahay we parang wala na tayo sa survivor or naka-turn off yung survivor sense natin because we feel safe.
Nah, bro, that's just, I mean, naisip ko lang kasi
Pero
sabi mo na pag lalabas ako,
Dagdag ko.
Ano?
O yun yung pinagkaibagian sa isang bahay kaysa dito. Gets mo?
How? What do you mean?
Kasi yung working area natin doon, 'di ba?
Iba.
Pag lumabas tayo, iba. Eh dito kasi kwarto agad ganyan, 'di ba?
Ganun pa rin. Diyan ka natutulog sa kung nasan nagtatrabaho. Ganun pa rin.
Hindi, I mean, like, yung paglabas natin doon, 'di ba? May sarili tayong sala and hindi siya feel na work.
It's like a common room, yeah. It's like a common room.
Parang ganun, yes.
The outside is bakit di na lang
Dinagdag ko lang.
I mean like
It gets kasi wala tayong common room. Yung common room natin yung buong mundo paglabas natin ng workplace. Makes sense.
Parang garden and yung mga nakakaupo ka, nakakatambay ka.
siguro I see the fourth house as like the common room since
para sa iyo kay Jan.
Para sa'yo po
Jan
tayo.
ba?
Yun nga para
Diba?
para sa akin lang. That's how I
Kay
see
Ken
it.
ba?
Well, ako kasi mas komportable ako pag nasa bahay ako eh.
Each to their own.
I'm more on, mas gusto kong nasa bahay ako kaysa nasa labas ako.
You know, there are people like that. Like I've met a lot of people, like really like successful people who really hate traveling. Like just the thought of going outside the country or traveling somewhere, ayaw nila. Parang kinamumuhian nila. Okay. And then I asked them why they do it. They just don't want to. Like, parang nahahaselan daw sila. Tapos parang,
What the fuck?
ang inisip daw kasi nila, if they're traveling somewhere, they feel like gagastos sila. Although may panggastos sila,
Same.
pero they don't feel like yung ginagastos nila is something worth it pag nagta-travel sila. They feel like
Damn, so hindi siya yung
it's like parang napipilitan
Yeah,
like
more on that side.
like if they travel, parang napipilitan sila to have fun. Or parang they have to or they parang napipilitan sila or nape-pressure sila na gumastos because since nasa ibang bansa sila, might as well, parang ganun. Like, they don't see it as like a natural thing to do, traveling. So,
Damn, bro. Rich people
it's-
problems, bro.
Some people are like that. If, paano tayo? Paano ako, puta? Poor as fuck, pero I still wanna go fucking traveling. It's so...
Scam yan?
It's,
Di totoo yan?
nah, bro. Like,
Di totoo
parang,
yan.
if
Pure
what do you
poor.
mean?
I kind of grimace a little bit. No, it was like poor as fuck. I was like,
Paano pa kami?
Bro, compared
check,
to the
ano pa kami?
compared to the guys I'm talking about, bro. I'm bored. Tangina. I
Kami ang kausap mo dito. Paano kami?
Pag ako if I'm traveling, like puta binabudget ko na rin yung mga gagastusin ko, you know. I literally list down everything, dude. Like these guys I'm talking about, like they don't really have to worry about money, but for some reason, like they think that if they go out and travel and enjoy the world, they're gonna spend more than what they bargained for.
Damn, I think ano lang sila, you know, it's not about traveling, it's just the kuripot sila.
Damn, bro.
Basically, there's like a fear of like not wanting to spend.
I think there's something
baka may
else
mga
there. I think that's
priorities din
one.
sila.
There's one. That's one factor. Or sometimes, may ibang mga tao lang na they just don't think about traveling because they have other things more important to do sa hometown nila. Like mostly yung mga ganyan siguro nila is people who have multiple businesses. You know, like parang hindi nila maiwan.
Yeah,
or
they
like
probably na-try na siguro nila mag-travel before and then they got PTSD kasi pagbalik nila putang inagabundok yung trabaho.
What the fuck happened?
right now that's the goal for us, for me and Binky. Like pag nakatapos siya, or fucking just gonna do good in veterinary and then magtatayo siya ng clinic and then do agricultural stuff. Yeah, that's the plan. So that we can do those kind of things. Na you could just travel na wala kang iniisip.
You really can't. If you can't. You can't.
No.
With your plan, yung agricultural stuff, unless someone else is managing that shit.
Oh yeah, someone else is gonna manage us stuff for sure.
Ilan ba't napunta pala tayo dyan?
I mean, come on, let's just talk about it. No, wait lang. But
Sa bahay lang eh.
Hindi.
Sa sala lang
It's
yung
fine.
usapan.
It's fine, bro. It's fine. It's a good tangent. Kasi tying into that, na naranasan ko rin yung parang feeling na yun. Yung fish keeping ako. So, I travel a lot. But recently, I went into fish keeping. Ang dami ko namang isda na inaano. To the point na mawala lang akong 3 or 4 days. Mababalitaan ko na lang na putang ina, may namatay na. May nagkandaw-gaga na yung isang aquarium ko. So parang, goddamn, is this what people who have multiple businesses at home feel like when they leave for just a few days? So someone has to manage that shit. So yung
Damn, see exactly, bro.
I feel that.
Ang daming responsibilities na iiwan. Na hindi man gagawin nila, and like they're not gonna magically do it themselves, you know what I mean?
Ito rin na like for remember that dude we met? Yung isang YouTuber na na international na meet natin do sa sushi place. Si Biju Mike.
Yeah,
so,
I
like,
didn't know. I did saw him.
Yeah. So like, si Biju Mike, we talked for a bit dun sa line. And then he told me that he's just here for a quick vacation. Like just a quick. He can't stay for like more than 5 days or 1 week though, kasi he's super worried all the time about his YouTube channel. Kasi daw mawala lang daw ng ilang araw, like maapekto na agad daw yung algorithm niya, yung how his videos are getting recommended and all that shit, just 3 or 2 days. And I think sino yung streamer na si XQC ba yun? I'm not sure if it's XQC or Ninja. He said something along the lines as well na parang 1 or 2 days lang siya nawala. Parang damn, naramdaman niya agad daw yung effect na nawalan siya ng viewers and all that stuff. So it's in the same thing, I guess, for some YouTubers na hindi mahilig mag-travel.
That's fucking okay.
Oh yeah, that's it. All right. Kinin mo pinasa yung bola sa akin, no?
Yes.
I think.
Sana tayo.
I think that's yun.
Gumanon na eh.
Things that make me feel alive. Ayun lang naman, pretty much. Nowadays, like I'm a simple man. I see something geeky. I see something that correlates with my hobbies, and I feel great about it. Like I feel validated. Alam mo yun? If I see a Super Cub in the street sa Japan, I feel validated. Na parang, damn, people like this fucking motorcycle. Ganun. Ayan. Right, ipapasok ko na po yung bola kay Chris. There you go. Yeah. Passing it to you, bro.
Ooh, fucking hell. Well, where am I gonna start?
What boils your blood?
What boils your
When
blood?
you see your dogs,
Yeah,
Your
tanga-
doggy dogs.
Umiinit,
Doggy dogs.
umiinit ang ulo pag
Ulo mo.
nakikita ko si Ragnar.
Yun lang, sa baba.
Same.
Pero yeah,
Whoa, what the fuck?
kinda-
man?
well, no, about me naman, I don't know if they share the same interests as mine. Like parang kay Glock, if everyone mentions about the things that you like, you're just gonna
Like the Fourth Reich.
no. No. But yeah, like speaking of which, like history, alternate history, like I could go days on end like talking about what ifs and whatnot about what could happen if this nation won this particular war or something like that. What the future would be? What kind of culture shift that we're going to have if this country wins that certain war? Like it's kind of hard for me to find those kind of people here specifically, kasi most of them are you see them sa mga random Discord servers or just nerds in general in that particular things. Ano pa ba? I'm trying to find. Oh, for fuck's sake! I'm trying to find like new hobbies. Like ito nga. I got myself into karting. It's kind of expensive hobby, so I just fucking do it like once a month. Like ngayon nagkaroon din ako ng interest on F1. Yeah.
Yeah, what about
that's
with
so
F1? Yun nga. Parang ngayon ko
It's
lang
so
nalaman
fucking
na.
weird ngayon.
Yeah.
Like wow, Chris is into racing, amazing. And
Like,
not
yeah.
only Chris, may ibang tao din sa newsfeed ko which is like what the
Yeah, they
fuck is
started
happening with this
popping
shit?
up in my newsfeed din na
Ako,
parang.
I started to get it kasi, di ba, nanood ako nung the one movie, bro. Yung gamer siya.
Yung
Gran Turismo.
Gran Turismo, yeah, I watched that.
So, kinda nagigets ko yung how the game works.
The reason I don't know the reason why I got into F1 is because
When did
because
you
of
When did you get into it?
Just recently.
Just recently?
Just fucking recently. Just this fucking year.
Oh my god! Like
This fucking exact
But
year.
you've never watched F1 races before.
I have. Well, I have before, but that day it seems so boring. It's just fucking 20 rich people just going around in circles.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what got you into F1 then?
It got me into like fucking memes got into me to F1. I became a casual fan just because of fucking memes. And then I got
Memes,
deep,
bro.
I got deep into it. like I watched this fucking asshole I watched this fucking asshole explain Formula 1 to me, a fucking idiot. And then just, makes sense. You know what? I'm gonna go deep into it. And then all of a sudden, I'm a Fernando Alonso fan, even though I haven't followed Fernando Alonso dati nung kanyang prime days. All of a sudden, I know fucking F1 memes. All of a sudden, I have a passion for it. All of a sudden, I want my son to become the next Max Verstappen.
Good luck with that, bro.
Ito ba sa
Even
F1
though
ba to?
there's like a 0.0099% that my fucking son
Not
would
F1
be
yan.
one.
Chris, sa F1 ba to?
Not
No!
F1,
No,
bro.
it's not. No.
That's just a
Iba yung
car.
F1.
That's just a car, bro.
Iba yung F1.
That's a Lego car, bro.
That's just a Lego car.
Hindi, kasi masasabihin ako kay Chris eh.
Ano?
Di ba sa F1 to, Chris?
It's not
Oh.
F1.
No!
F1.
Puta,
Alam mo yung F1 sobrang sobrang nipis lang. Parang ganun lang yun.
That's not
Yung
F1, bro.
Dito.
Puta,
No, that's not
Neil
F1.
is to our listeners, Neil is just showing a random sports car. Oh,
Yeah,
the
hindi kasi kung
BMW
ito,
sports car.
bibigay ko na kay Chris to.
Pang ano yan?
That's fucking
Pang-lemans yan eh.
Yeah, that's circuit racing lang yun.
Yeah.
Circuit racing lang to.
It's not F1.
Yun
no.
yung F1.
Ayaw mo, Chris, na to? Gusto mo?
No, I'm good.
Akin na lang.
Bigyan mo ako,
Dead
Baka dito, bibigay ko na sana
Pero
sa'yo.
Yeah, wait.
Hindi, don't.
So, can you sell to us? Kasi ikaw, you got into memes. Like, I have no idea what exactly in the memes got you into it. Is it like
why?
like in the same
What
sense
memes?
as pro wrestling? Ganun? So, like, sell it to us. Sell F1 to people who don't watch F1.
Like, I don't know how to sell it. It's just, it's just me exposing myself into memes, and then I got influenced by it to the point na naging fan ako, and then all of a sudden, Pink, like, the more I talk about it to my girlfriend there, she's an F1 fan as well. She even considered Max Verstappen his fucking husband at this point.
Kaya pala gusto mo. The man I want to be. Ito, tayo si Max Verstappen.
Max Verstappen. But F1 recently, like, became it became influential.
Yun nga parang there's just like a fucking resurgence somehow sa newsfeed ko na parang people who never posted about F1 before suddenly are posting about F1 and I'm like, what the fuck? People are suddenly getting into it.
Yeah, I thought the same thing too. Kasi nung may nakikita akong friends ko sa the listeners like, wow, these people watch F1, really? I kind of got curious. Why are they so interested about people? 20 people fucking driving in circles.
As a 10-year vet in F1, I don't understand either like what the appeal to it. Yeah, guys, just that y'all know, okay, kapanahunan ko pa si Michael Schumacher, sila Trulli, sila yes, I was a Renault fan. Okay, so for those
so you do know Fernando Alonso?
Yeah, okay, so like yung lolo ko kasi yun yung pastime niya, like my grandpa, that kung ako addict ako sa anime, addict siya sa F1. Like he would always watch F1 on TV. Like every time I barge into his room, he's watching F1. So doon ako na natuwa rin. Like when I was a kid, F1 was just super. I just simplified it in my brain. Na I will just pick one person who I'll be rooting for the rest of my fucking life. That's it. I don't care if magaling siya or hindi. I like your car. I like how it looks. I like your name. I'll be rooting for you. And that guy was Trulli. Si Trulli yun. He doesn't really win at all, pero underdog siya. He's always like 4th or 5th place. Pero when he fucking wins, I'm like, finally, my boy fucking won. I don't know how he did it, but he just won. Because everyone was just going for Michael Schumacher. Like Ferrari was Ferrari was hot shit back then, and now they're not. Stupid fucks. And
about that. It's parang like I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of Max Verstappen right now. At first, like you would root for him because Lewis Hamilton was winning during the early 2010s or it's 2015s. He has this domination all over there, and then you were just rooting for Max Verstappen. Now Max Verstappen is dominating. You want someone else.
Yeah, you don't really want to root for the number one. Gusto mo lagi yung like underdog.
Mm-hmm. For casual fans, it's so easy to be a fan of Max Verstappen because he's winning. You don't lose your sanity when you're rooting for the number one guy. But if you're just rooting for like yung mga underdogs and they're doing dog shit or the fucking team is doing dog shit, like, no, you just lose your sanity. It's like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Bakit ang bagal ng pit stop? Bakit ang bobo mo?
So that's the appeal sa F1, sabi na iba. Like there's drama involved. It's not just I get it. People listening to this shit like fucking I don't get F1.
Yeah, we don't get it.
I don't get it, bro. I don't get it.
Kami tatlo dito like,
I think some people do. I think some people na nakikinig
just
sa
to let
atin
you all know.
F1.
Yun lang naman. Binavalidate lang namin yung mga F1 peeps dyan sa viewers natin, kung meron man. Anyways, like moving on. Anything else, guys?
Anything else? I don't know. Like me personally, then I kind of relate to Ken. It's more of a survival thing for me. Why I get up. It's more of a survival and self-improvement. One thing then is my girlfriend, which is not here right now. She's one of the
fuck.
Like she's one of the. What are you doing?
Neil is doing something, bro. What is wrong with you, bro?
Napangat niya yung table.
So the fuck up.
Okay, go. Yeah, girlfriend.
Like my girl, she's one of the people who make my life even worth living at this point. I'm not even.
nice
Damn.
job. Nice.
I'm not being over dramatic or anything. It's just like when I nakasama ko siya sa loob ng isang taon, I felt like I became a much better person. Like
Nice.
nawala yung halos lahat ng bad habits ko. And nawala lahat ng parang yung mga dapat hindi naman dapat problema. And
Nakita ko nga jolly si Chris sa mga videos na inaano nila eh.
Puta, nanonood ka rin pala ng Blinking, Chris.
Oh, man! Tagal nga ng bagong upload eh. Ano ba yan?
Damn, bro. Tangay na. Ano pangalan na fandom natin, Chris? Ay, Neil.
Crinky.
Mga crinkies. Yeah, bro. We're crinkies, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Chris.
Damn. No, bro. Hey, we coined that shit. Okay. We got
It's already a thing. It's already a thing.
Crinkies.
Crinkies, bro. Tangina, kami nag-coin yan, ha. Tangina, tandaan nyo. June 14, 2024. The crinkies were born. Damn. Holy shit.
So yeah, right now, one thing that make me alive is just just supporting her throughout hanggang sa makagraduate siya, so that we can do a lot more fun stuff in the near future. Like one of the yun din yung parang nagiging yun din ang parang nagiging driving force ko, like to work hard to ganyan. And also fucking Chris Games. That's what makes me alive.
Oh, fucking course. You wouldn't be Chris. It wouldn't be called Chris Games if it wasn't.
Like Ken. Then at this point, like Ken, I still find enjoyment in playing games, especially the games that I can just do whatever the fuck I want.
Yes, Chris Games, yung Manor Lords.
Yeah,
bro.
yung Manor Lords. Yeah.
Grabe yan. Oo. He's my advisor, man.
Yeah, motherfucking, I saved his fucking stream because he was doing so shit.
Of course he would.
Of
course he would be
I
doing
saved
that.
his fucking stream.
Damn, bro.
I just like how you build cities, and I made this huge ass city with my guiding hand. I influenced this to happen.
Yeah, you have you want to play God. That's it.
Yeah, exactly.
the innate want to play God.
Yeah, I kind of enjoy it, especially strategy games. Which I'm kind of surprised na dumating na tayo sa point na naglalaro na tayo ng RTS sa channel natin. Yeah.
What is RTS?
I actually feel good. Real-time strategy.
Real-time.
So Battle Realms, Red Alert. I actually kind of like I'm always super hyped pag may nagyayari ng Red Alert or Battle Realms or anything that I used to play back in my childhood. So like,
Warcraft 3.
Kahit nga ngayon like yung panag-stream ako, hindi ko na tinuloy yung Final Fantasy or any other games. I'm just playing Red Alert campaign, bro. And I'm like constantly surprised about like the numerous ways you can go about a campaign. Tapos putang yung mga speedrun pala. Na putang ina ako in one campaign 2 hours akong naghirap. Tapos putang yung iba buong campaign under 1 hour lang tapos na nila. And I look at how they did the certain campaign. Tapos putang yung 2 hours na ginawa ko, ginawa lang niya in 5 minutes natapos niya. And it wasn't it's not really like he cheated. Like may inexploit lang siya. And then he did pretty good. It was super 5-head.
One thing then about parang feeling ko is if you're playing old games, you kind of play the games that you wanted to play dati nung bata ka. Now you have the full time, di mo na kailangan mag-worry about like open times.
That's true.
Ba't ganyan ko lang nilaro ulit? I'm wanting to play this game nung kaso nga lang hindi ko lang malaro kasi hindi ko matapos kasi naka-deep freeze yung putang ina computer. Wala yung save ko! Putang ina.
Also, we were dumb. We were dumb kids. So now parang everything makes more sense. Yan.
Time by time, nagdo-Dota pa rin ako kahit turbo lang. Iba pa rin talaga pag nilalaro mo yung nilalaro mo na.
I mean, I kind of wanna actually there another subtopic that I wanted to like tackle on sana before natin yung what makes you feel. It's like what are games you wanted to play or try? But that's for another podcast. So ipunin niyo na lang yan. Kasi ako recently I really wanted to start playing other RPG games na never ko pa nalaro or yung mga napag-iwanan ko mga RPG games. Like sponsored stuff that were really good. Like for example, I was sponsored by what do you call this, like Dragon Quest and yung isang RPG pa na it was super good. Yeah, Grand Blue Fantasy, like man, I wanted to fucking play that. Tangina, how come Hughes who draws like fucking juicy ass fan arts of waifus have the time to play Monster Hunter, Dota 3 and all that stuff. Tas ako putang I'm struggling to find time to play Final Fantasy 7. Like how do they do it? So we'll get to that on another podcast, like games we want to actually try and all that stuff. But yeah, it's true. Fucking true. Also, natawa ako kanina, nag-giggle ako. Natawa kasi ako yung minimension ni Chris na ang nagbubuhay sa kanya is yung girlfriend niya. Tapos ako natawa ako kasi parang na-imagine ko fucking ano yan? Suzette, Deng Chan, and yung ano ni Ken nanonood ng podcast. Pati hindi nila sinabi na Pati nila sinabi na kami yung bubuhay sa ano na. No more take.
I mean, sa ating kasi matik na yun eh.
Matik na yun.
Matik na yun. See the
Matik
ring?
na yun. Ay, yan. Matik na matik yan.
Okay.
Meron din ako pero di pa pakasal to eh.
Ito promise ring. Ito. Sasalo ko na sa necklace ko.
Okay. Anything else, Chris? You were mentioning about Chris games. That's it.
Chris games, new hobbies, my girlfriend. That's the thing. That's
basketball,
lala. Okay, I want to talk about this. I want to get into basketball back in the day, but it's just it's not for me.
Chris.
It's not for me.
Come on, Chris.
I tried doing it on college. Dati kasi meron na akong kalaro, but I'm so bad at it. I'm so bad at it.
Di ka ba nakasali ng pag nag-i-entrams kayo?
Pag nakakasali ako, kahit sa intracolor sa barangay namin, sumali ako, but I'm so bad at it.
Sumali ako, bobo ako eh. Fuck the shit.
Like yung tangkad ko, sayang, ang pau player ako. Like, legit, ang I don't know, like, sumarin din kasi ng community na basketball nung bata ako kasi I just get bullied a lot. Like, you remember the times I get bullied a lot. Kahit sa basketball, I get bullied.
Talaga, may ganyan times.
Ang pangit ng like, dati I cannot like, I cannot.
Ako bagong bili pa ng sapatos, yung binigay sa akin ng papa ko, tapos nung
inapa ka nila,
labang
like,
barangay, hindi tol, di ako pinaglaro ng coach.
Utang yan.
Umuwi na lang kami.
Wait, what?
Andun pa yung si Suzette, andun pa yung wife ko, mag-girlfriend-boyfriend pa lang kami. May laro sa palengke sa bayan namin, which is puro barangay maglalaro ng basketball. Tapos, nung kami na, bagong sapatos ko, syempre, di hype na hype ako magbola. Yung coach, hindi ako pinasok.
Baka kasi di ka niya kilala.
Hindi ano ko pa siya eh. Tito ko pa siya eh.
Oh shit!
May galit.
Even
worse.
Even worse.
Tangan na may utang tong kumpare ko. Pukinang nangyay. Hindi ko pala rin yung anak nito nga.
Makalimutan yun. Kilala mo kung sino ka, Tito.
Akala ko ba
alam ba niya na naglalaro ka?
Ha?
Alam ba niya naglalaro ka?
Alam niya na. Andun nga ako eh. Nagkatinginan pa nga kami. Sila papa nagagalit eh. Ba't di pinapasok yung yun yung bullying kay Neil na. Puta, akala ko pa naman sasabihin ni ikakwento ni Neil, ay mabago sa patos puta, pinag-apak-apakan ng mga kasama ko. Di ako pinaglaro.
Hindi pala.
Baka di alam na marunong ka mag-basketball. Like, tanginan to, ano lang to
Ito na yun eh.
for the sake.
Mga kalaro ko halos lahat nung andun eh.
Bago pa yung bago tong sapatos na to Tangan, hindi yata naglalaro to.
Supported ng kumpare pasok to.
Well, from my side, I just had a bad community. I had a bad taste in my mouth nung
Ang saya basketball.
Masaya mag-basketball.
I fucking hate basketball, bro.
Singit ko lang si Jan, may laro.
Meron legit. Pag alam mo lang pag alam mo lang yung pass namin in terms of entrams, I think kami yung parang yung section namin sa first year, umabot pa kami ng finals. Puta, kalaban namin fourth year yung mga nagba-varsity na.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Tatangkad, alam mo yun?
Lugi sa rebound.
Nung pinilit ka pa maglaro yan. Hanip. May laro pala.
Naalala ko si Ken yung nag-basket. Nagsusunod yung bola.
Grabe ng takbukit.
Gumana sa ulo yung bola. Nagsitanawanan lahat. Was the funniest shit, bro.
Laro-laro din eh.
Nag-shoot kasi siya, tas yung bola, hindi na-shoot, tumama sa ring, bumalik. Tas nung nakita niya papunta sa ulo niya, sasaluhin niya sana, ilumusot sa niya, dumiretso sa mukha niya.
Fuck, bro. Bad memory.
Ano ba?
That was so funny, bro. I can never forget that shit.
Kaya kung gusto nyo magbola, guys, bola tayo. Wala namang dyan eh.
Hindi, ang pangit magbola, di ko kilala yung mga kasama. Puta, na introverted as shit. Di ko maalala sinong kasama natin eh, putang inang yun eh. Parang sa at the back of my mind, natakot na ako magkamali. Okay, baka isipin ako, putang ito, sali-sali pa to. Sali-sali pinasali natin nasa gilid.
Ako naman,
takot ako matakpan pag introvert, like, sasabihin mo iisipin mo, ayaw mong gumawa ng mali. Kasi ako kahit hindi ma-shoot, ayos lang sa akin eh.
Ako naman, ako yung minamali doon eh. Putang na siniko. Putang na, may personal ata to.
Sikuin mo rin.
Yun na talaga. Kasi ako pag na-shoot, hindi shoot. Di okay lang, babagan niya.
Sa amin hindi. Inisip namin yung negative eh.
Inisip nyo.
Pak, baka sisihin ako neto mamaya.
Inisip ko lang, wag magkamali. Yun lang eh. wag mapasa sa hindi ko kakampi. Ganun lang yung isip ko dun eh.
Look at Gian, bro. He's done.
He's done.
Like,
She's done with love.
ako, never ako nagkaroon ng any interest sa basketball.
I
How
think
about
only-
soccer,
Sa
huh?
ibang sports.
Wala akong hand and brain coordination, okay? Like
Hindi ka ba
football on the
nag-sports
other
ever?
hand, like parang
Hindi ka nagsipak, hindi ka nag-soccer, ganun
sepak
mga
takraw,
ganun.
yun. Sepak.
Payaw,
Kasi
ganun.
Hindi ka ba
Sepak
nag-enjoy dun?
takraw. Nag-enjoy ako dun.
the
Yeah, pero like basketball is like parang, para sa akin, like it's like a hooligan sport.
bunch of grown
Parang-
men
What?
trying to steal
Oh.
balls and shooting it on a fucking basket.
You know, you gotta think of it. Fucking playing basketball is gay. You're playing balls, man.
Playing with balls, bro.
Like,
Playing balls with grown-ass men.
Like, parang, ewan ko, like, hindi lang nag-click sa akin yung basketball or hindi ako na ano. Like, everyone around me played basketball pero parang ako like, parang, fuck that game. Doesn't really look cool enough or parang para sa akin, it looks too rough. I don't know.
Yeah.
So many things to do, so many rules, like parang, fuck.
I think the only time that
Skill issue,
I channel
sorry.
my I think the
Damn,
only
bro.
time that I channel my basketball fan is like through NBA 2K. That's it.
Yeah, you were playing NBA 2K, I was playing FIFA. So we are different,
Damn,
bro.
so you
No, I play
you
FIFA
into
too.
soccer.
I play FIFA too. Yeah, I play FIFA too.
Dude, ang problema kasi doon sa high school ko, puta, wala kaming football field. Okay. Ay, bihira magkaroon ng ganun sa probinsya. Wala kaming football. So, meron kaming, like, a pergola or we have like a greenery na hindi naman talaga siya football field pero it's just a patch, like a big patch of grass. Doon kami nagpo-football pag minsan. Pero putang ina, every time we kick the ball, it goes out and then it destroys a fucking window. So tangina na pagalitan kami, naban na rin yung football. So nagsepak takraw na lang kami.
Damn. Ano ba yung school mo nung high school ka?
No, it's a fucking normal
Private, public.
It was a private one.
Private pala eh.
But we didn't have wala kami football. Tangina.
Public number one.
Ang ano kasi ng ang view kasi ng mga Pilipino sa sa sport ng soccer, parang pang bourgeoisie yung yung soccer.
You need a big ass
Pero,
field, bro.
Parang ang saya nun, legit.
Ang saya naman. I would much prefer to play soccer rather than than
It's super
basketball.
fun, legit.
Bro!
Pag naintindihan mo.
Akala ko pa gusto mo.
Pag-intindihan mo kaya.
Tapos gaganyanin
Yeah,
mo.
bro, pag nanood ka ng Blue
bro.
Lock, doon ka panahon, yung ibang yung ibang mga
Like legit,
Mga
I wish,
Eagles.
Slam
May
dunk number
bulak.
1.
No, bro, yun nga, that's it. Like, all the fucking normies were watching, like, kahit hindi ka weebput, everyone was watching Slam Dunk. Pero kami yung mga ibang, iba sa amin, sa grupo namin, puta, we watch Captain Tsubasa, bro. That was
I
the
watched
Never
it,
seen
bro.
that
Yeah.
That was the
Hero
shit.
TV.
Ay, yung ano,
Never
know
seen
what?
that shit.
That was the best
Tsubasa,
fucking anime, bro.
What I hate
Yung
Kung
about
alam yung
Ano,
magpe-fade away isang linggo bago ma-shoot.
Ganun din sa Captain Tsubasa, bro. Putang
Ganun ba?
ina yan.
Meron din doon.
Captain Tsubasa.
Hindi lang. 5 putang ina. 2 weeks, bro. 2 weeks of flashbacks yun bago yung unang episode, magko-contact pa lang. Tatouch pa lang yung hindi magano pa lang siya, babuelo pa lang siya para sumipa.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
that's one episode, tapos flashback. Tapos yung next episode, tatama pa lang yung paa dun sa sa bola.
Bola.
Tapos lilipad yung bola. Habang lumilipad yung bola, flashback ulit yan kasi yung goalkeeper naman, yung POV naman niya yung papakita. So,
Magpa-play.
Gusto siya, paano siya napunta ron, gano'n.
oo, tangina, syempre.
So fucked.
Yan, and then the next
Feeling ko,
episode, yun na yung, doon na shoot yung bola. Okay, tapos puta, hindi pala sa tama yung bola, tatama lang dun sa bar. Tapos dilipad na naman sa area naman yung bola. Tapos ibang character naman yung i-feature. Tapos yun na naman yung POV niya. Ano yung the best shit ever.
Screen time, man. Stoink. Screen
4
time,
episodes
pre.
para lang magkaroon ng score ka.
Ano yung favorite mo? Ano yung favorite mo?
Ibang ganda niya pag
Captain Tsubasa, bro.
tawag dun sa chat ni Tsubasa pag umikot siya tapos nakapatagilid siya
there's
tapos
a
niya.
reverse fish hook, bro.
Yeah,
The bicycle
fucking amazing,
kick,
bro.
bro. Tangina.
So fucking amazing.
Yeah, it was good shit, bro.
Well, one thing I hate about Spain is that they didn't colonize us long enough to introduce fucking football
Football,
to
bro.
us.
I know, right?
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
Napulot
By the
ko ng
way-
football nung bata ako, Super Strikers eh.
That was good as well, bro. Super
That was good
Strikers.
as well. Yeah.
That was good.
I fucking love that show. Tangina, every time it's on Disney, man, I would fucking sit and watch. I would
Super
stop
Strikers.
whatever the fuck I'm
Super
doing.
Strikers.
Kauwi ko lang school. Putang bubuksan ko TV. Super Strikers. Putang na ako. Fucking watch this, boy.
Yeah, Super Strikers, bro.
May times na like, yung isang episode na yun, uulitin nila sa buong araw. It's gonna rerun the whole fucking day. So like multiple time slots siya pero it's the same fucking episode.
Hindi kasi ano lang, di ba shorts lang naman yung Super Saiyan? It's like 5 minutes.
In a way, yeah. Minsan parang it focuses on like the striker, the goalie, mga ganun like yung story nila. Kung ano yung training nila and shit.
Sponsored by Caltex yun eh.
Yes.
So nga, no?
So funny. Fun to watch, bro.
Like going back to basketball, feeling ko like makikita mo naman kung may affinity yung isang bata sa basketball. If lalo pag Pinoy, if you see them like nagko-crossover na lang sa ulo.
mga tarantado yung mga ganun.
Tinatapal na lang yung putang inang beam sa taas or kung ano lang billboard. Ako never ko ginawa yun eh. Like never, wala sa katawan ko sa sistema ko mag-crossover or mag-gumanon. Okay. So alam mo na agad, pag walang ganun yung bata, kung baga ako si Deku, I was quirkless, bro. Okay, everyone else was like doing that shit. Ako hindi. Wala akong ganun.
Alam mo, naisip ko sa mga ganito. It's more, 'di ba? Kasi most of our shit is heavily inspired by something.
Yeah. Nawala si Ken.
I mean, like for example, like gusto mo pumasok ng banda, nakanood ka ng movie about that shit. Gusto mo pumasok ng soccer, nakanood ka ng movie about that shit. Parang ganun.
Exactly.
Like you inspire yourself.
Of course. I mean,
parang yung racing lang, recently yun nga, yung sabi ko na the Gran Turismo, puta, bumili agad ako ng steering wheel.
Yun ba yun? Kala ko tagal na yun na sa'yo, puta.
Magkano ba yun?
Next fucking...
Magkano yun?
That was like 20-something. I'm not even gonna specify 20-something.
Pero I mean, you're right. Like everything na ginagawa natin ngayon, everything we're passionate about, we got inspired by something. And that's fine. That's fucking good.
Yun pag-usapan natin mamaya ay susunod.
So you find new hobbies. Like putang na gusto ko nga rin bumili ng racing sim eh. Like gusto ko bumili ng Trustmaster.
So nice nung dinaray ko yung Vanilla, putang angas eh.
Yeah,
Copium na lang eh.
Bili ka ng bola.
Sabihin na lang na you're healing your inner child, pero in reality gumagastos ka lang.
Bigyan kitang bola, Chris.
No.
Bigyan ka niya rin yung court. Bigyan ka niya court.
Court, damn!
Anong court, damn, bro?
Bigyan mo ako ng racing truck.
Ring lang.
Ring lang, play.
Buong court.
Wala mong malapit na basketball court dyan, Chris?
Wala.
Just put like just put a fucking a ring anywhere.
Ayaw na Chris eh. Ayaw niya. Huwag nang pilitin.
Sige, okay. Kulang siya sa inspiration, bro. Hindi mo kasi na-inspire, Neil.
Si John naman. Ano ang ni John?
Pasa mo na yung bola kay John.
Pasa mo na yung bola.
Chris, pasa mo na yung bola kay John.
Ayun na. Ano mo?
John!
To be honest, I'm
Tinama.
What?
I'm blank.
What do you mean you're blank?
I still don't get kung ano yung shit na to. We're just explaining our hobbies and shit.
Yeah, exactly.
What's currently na nagpapasaya ngayon? Parang ganun lang,
No, it's not a hobby is part of it. Pero it could be anything, to be honest. It could be fucking anything.
Kasi kung sasagutin ko siya in general, sobrang dami. Legit. Sobrang...
just give us an example, man. Like something you feel strongly about.
Like pinakauna, naisip mo agad. Alam mo yun.
Yeah, first thing that comes in your mind.
Madami, hindi ko alam.
just mention one. Kung sobrang dami.
Magpahangin, gano'n.
Like for example, pwede kong sabihin na more scientific shit. Yung mga theories and shit. Mga ganun.
Okay.
Makes you think,
Yeah.
Like anything about, anything that involves science and shit.
Conspiracy theories.
Yung mga ganun time travel.
That's
moon.
literally in my podcast topic list. Conspiracy theories. Pero anyways.
Moon, mga ganun. And then ano pa ba?
Question, John. Are you a flat earther?
Not really, no. Pero
Not really.
Like ako, really. I don't believe na the earth is flat. Pero putang ina, pag legit narinig mo yung mga ng inang arguments nitong mga flat earther para maipaisip ka,
Maybe they're right.
Maybe.
What?
Pero hindi.
Really?
Yeah, legit. Like, there are theories na po tayo na makapaisip ka like, okay. Pero pero syempre, hindi ako flat earther kasi you can think of something na parang, alam mo yung test nila. The test, yung double dot test. That was the stupidest thing I have ever read or seen. Kung flat ang earth, tapos pinagtabi niya tong plane na to na may bilog doon, tapos may plane pa doon like 20 meters away. Dapat pag tinignan mo yon, dapat isang buong straight lang kasi flat yung earth eh. So tayo hindi nakita, di ba? Hindi, parang may clip na di nakita, so like inayos pa nila yung ilaw para mag-straight yung output ng bilog. Yeah. So like they have no logic. It's so funny. There are times na mga ganun eh. Flat earth. Like it's just they don't fucking think. They don't use their brain sometimes. Pero may mga theories sila or conspiracy theories. Tama ba? Conspiracy. May mga theories sila na it will make you think now. You know, yes, sure.
Kinda makes sense, guys.
You kinda make sense, but you're still stupid.
Yeah. Parang ganun.
Okay. So, parang siyang game theory.
That's it. Yeah. So yun, that answers your question.
Puta ka na, yun lang.
Yun lang.
Anything else? Sabi mo marami. Come on, bro.
I can't, di ko alam eh.
How about like currently? What do you feel strongly? Like, or what is something na parang, God damn, I wanna do this, or
May
man, this
ginagawa
looks
mo
so
outside
fucking
recording
cool.
and
Ganun.
Damn, bro, I have nothing, bro. Fuck.
Damn, bro.
Sumama ka na sa
My
bola.
life is
para
so
meron.
boring, man. I'm just surviving dito sa 4,000. You know, I'm literally a refugee dito. See, look at this shit. Look at this background. This is my refugee campsite.
So, like the first house is fucking
Falling
shit
apart.
right now.
Yeah,
It's fucked.
fucked
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
really fucked, man. Like, puta, you go in there, it's like Silent Hill, bro. Like,
Yes. Yun lang, marami naman yung mga yung sports, marami din. Yung mga soccer, yung sipak, mga ganun. Yung basketball nga, yung sabi ni Neil. Those make me happy. Pero it makes me think at the same time din na, oh, holy shit, you know? Ang sarap bumalik tuloy ng high school kasi parang feeling ko I wasn't doing enough of those. Kasi right now, parang fuck man, parang di
mo magawa, ganun.
Like dati parang na-reinforce yung shit ko kasi every time I don't know kung alam niyo yung larong takyan.
And
Takyan.
wait, that was
Alam mo yun, like,
yung parang ano yun, yung
May metal na bilog tapos may parang feathers na ewan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that shit.
Like,
Yeah.
no.
Di ko alam paano anong Tagalog
Ano ba yung
ng
piso
takyan
na
eh.
butas?
May
yung
piso
piso na butas.
tapos may ano na parang
Tapos may di kahit nga plastic ng candy eh.
Pati nga
yan.
Snowbear.
Straw.
Ako snowbear gamit namin dyan eh.
Nung high school kasi ako, parang super
Nadik ako dito noon.
mas madalas pa yung physical activities kaysa sa computer. So even though sabihin ko baliw ako sa computer pero mas matalas pa rin yung physical activities noon.
Yeah.
Parang na-reinforce sa akin na damn, you should join varsity or some shit kasi puta ng bilis mo tumakbo. Yung sinabi sa akin nung puta ng PE coach ko. Nagtatakyan kami, tapos parang ano kasi noon, kung ikaw yung taya, ibabato mo to someone and then you're gonna count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dapat i-juggle mo siya 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos sa 5th, dapat i-ano mo siya. Sisiplakin mo sa
Sobrang lakas.
Pag na ano ng iba, ikaw na yung taya. Parang ganun.
Kaya mag-black magic ka, okay.
Yeah. So pag ganun, like you only need to like kick it once and then dapat mas mataas siya sa tao na sumipa nun. So like parang yun yung
either that, parang baseball, like either masipa mo siya ng malayo na hindi masasalo ng ng iba, or like you kick it far enough na para kasi 'di ba i-ano pa nila yan eh, i-measure pa nila yan ng paa nila. So pag na kung saan like just 1 meter na tumalsik lang yung katso, yun yung tawag namin eh. And then yung isang pa ako nakadikit doon, tapos mag-split ako, okay, tatry kong dumikit kung saan ka. Pag naabutan kita, ibig sabihin out ka rin. Okay? So basically kung from where you fucking kick that yung katso, okay, hindi ka dapat pwede gumalaw. You gotta stay still, wait for it to drop. And then it's either pag sobrang layo,
pag mag-split ka, gets.
Diba?
Tandaan ko.
Kailangan maabot ng paa mo, ikaw and yung katso together.
So yung
mag-link
iba
sila.
talagang umi-split pa, ganyan.
So pag marunong mag-split
hindi nyo inaano sa malayo, inaano nilang
pwede
malapit
naman
na dapat
malayo.
abot mo.
There's just a chance na dumadaplis eh.
namin same sa iba nila.
Kasi pag dumaplis, halimbawa dumaplis, nag-whiff ako, tapos putang ina, tumalsik lang ng sobrang lapit, yun, i-measure. Ayun. Pero pag sobrang layo, tapos hindi mo nasalo, wala, you're out. We should do that. Pinoy's Choice
I'm so fucking
I will show you if we do that.
May iba't ibang rules ata dun eh.
kasi sa amin, like, example, 3 lang minimum. 1, 2, then 3. You just throw it.
Alam ko may iba't ibang rules dun.
May
Minsan
regional
kamay
rules,
runner
bro. Sa Bicol, iba yung rules.
Hindi, kasi alam ko rin yung kay dyan yung
Regional rules.
1, 2, 3, tapos
Sipa
talagang sipa na.
Sobrang lakas. Ikaw na ba?
Tapos alam ko, pag above sa tao,
Goods
diba,
yun.
like, goods yun. Pero pag lang,
Below.
dumaplis lang, wala.
Hindi counted.
Kasi ang hirap hulihin nun pag ganun like lang, hindi siya
Nasa ere.
Yeah.
Kaya dapat pataasan, alam ko pataasan rin nung ano dun eh.
Basta sa Beagle rules para siyang baseball. Okay, pag if you catch it mid-air, you're out.
Parang NBA, PBA lang.
May regional may region settings.
Ano yung, how do you play Tekken ba nila? Like, ganito lang? Or yung pasapa mismo?
No, dalawa yun, okay. Kung gusto mo mag-flex.
Yeah, pwede ka pag ganito eh.
Yeah, basta, sabihin natin 3. So, may dalawa na kahit anong gawin mo. Basta it doesn't contact with your feet or something. Kung gusto mo mag-flex, magpaka ka palagi,
Yeah.
Din ako usually pa.
Yeah. So, ayun, like, tapos yung pangatlo, just
elbow.
Dito.
Kasi nasasaktan kasi ako dito noon.
Dalawa. Tapos yung like, minsan may strat pa nga na sa likod mo pa yun eh.
Yeah.
Yung pinakamahirap yung likod yung pag ganun.
Yung black magic, that's yun yung rule namin. Kailangan iba black magic mo.
Black magic palagi.
That
was so fun, bro. It was so fun,
I can do
Those
that.
were the days, man. Damn, bro.
We should do that.
Fuck.
We're gonna do that.
Man,
Can never do that again. I'm like, all the shit now, man.
Sipa tawag sa amin din eh. Diditak yan eh. Sipa.
Oo, iba-iba tayo.
Again, regional rules, regional names.
Regional name.
Aming Katso, sa kanya Takyan. Okay.
Sipa nga sa Tagalog.
Basta yun, that was it. That was fun.
So yeah, that
was it.
That sparked joy. That sparked joy. Yun na yung title. What sparks joy? Hindi na dapat sinabi ko.
Anything that I don't know, maybe I'm just competitive in a way.
Yeah, maybe.
In terms of like kasi it's just so fun. It's so fun. Parang sipak yun. It's just so fun.
I have never been competitive in my life. like for some unknown reason I want to compete but feeling ko I'm not gonna do any better, so why bother, diba?
Damn, Chris, what the fuck?
Maybe
sometimes, Chris, you gotta think you're the main character.
Kaya hindi rin ako like I don't play like competitively sa mga sabihin nating Dota or any sports. I don't play competitively.
Yeah, fuck that game. Fuck that game.
I play it to enjoy,
I've never enjoyed a Dota game.
Nah, bro.
Coming from you, no. Like the concept of like going to tournaments and like playing.
Oh shit.
To like to win.
Ay ba yun po?
I have never.
Ang saya
Ay, grabe. Oo nga, ang gandang nun sa next podcast. Ganda nun, promise.
Pag-usapan natin that was so fun, bro.
The tournaments, the
pinnacle of everything, bro.
Yes,
pinnacle
bro.
What?
Pinnacle of competitive gaming, bro.
Computer shop,
LAN tournaments.
Let me list it down. Ano yan? Anong topic yan?
LAN tournaments.
LAN tournaments.
In online games, in video games.
Yes.
Could be anything, kung Matt Wizard ka.
Basta tournaments in general.
Yeah, just
basta LAN games, gano'n, no. Or kahit online games man yan.
Alright,
yun lang anything competitive na parang, di ba, like, it boils your blood. It's like, time to be alive, motherfucker. Parang alam mo. Ano pa?
Nakakabuhay nga yun, dugo na yan.
So,
ano pa pwede sabihin?
anything else may gusto pa ba idagdag?
Hindi, tapos na pala eh.
Okay. Alright. So,
so we're out of time too.
Thank you guys for sharing your whatever sparks your joy. But you know what? May isa pa ako dadagdag. Okay?
Ano pa?
Yung nagpapabuhay sa dugo ko. Yung mga Patreons natin.
Tama!
Bro,
hindi lang ikaw, sa amin din.
You're funding our karting ambitions.
Our kart experience.
Yes, go kart experience. Thank you so much.
We can actually take it for a day.
Yeah.
Hindi, ang naisip ko na, para maano sila is mag-i-stay tayo na sa araw doon para hindi tayo isang biyahe doon, pagod tayo, para may pahinga tayo, para mas enjoy.
Diba? Siyempre mag-stay tayo kila Trinil kasi malapit lang.
Doon Tarlac
Lapit ang Nueva Ecija sa Tarlac.
Santa Rosa to Tarlac.
20 minutes lang
doon. Santa Rosa to Tarlac.
O, diba? 20 minutes
pa. 1.5 hours. Ayaw mag-stay tayo sa hotel doon para bukas fresh tayo, di ba? Ay naman. Para ma-enjoy rin natin yung punta natin doon,
ano bang nasa
diba?
Tarlac, besides the go-kart?
Yeah, pwede tayo. Bale mo, ano tayo?
Si Go.
Si Mayor Chris.
Mayor Chris.
Ano ba?
Ano ba meron pa pwede mapunta niyan?
Abe, ano pa meron sa Tarlac sa go-kart?
May farm ba doon?
Ang dami. Sa Holy Park.
May
resort daw, Goshen. Ano?
May isdaan dito eh.
Goshen Resort. Uy.
Goshen Resort?
Puta, Goshen? Of course, puta na. Pamamayari ng Pogo yan. Goshen Resort eh.
Ano ba? Pogo daw.
Pogo, di ba? She knows what's up.
Sino what's up?
Pupunta siya dun.
Pogo, putang inang Pogo yan.
Di ba?
At least stay tayo sa Pogo Resort.
But yeah, thank you. Thank you, Patreons. Hopefully, matuloy.
Tutuloy yan. Ako na nagsasabi, tutuloy yan.
Tama.
Okay, sige. Hindi, kasi ako yung...
Kung may isa
ako
mang
yung
hindi
kino-call out
sumama.
Ako yung kino-call out kanina.
Sasabihin ko na ngayon, kung may hindi man sumama isa, tutuloy yan, okay?
Sige. Alright.
Aba.
Ina. Alright, yun. So guys, thank you for watching, listening to our podcast. Again, if you want to listen to more of our stuff, we are available finally on Spotify. You can actually watch our podcast there as well. Do follow us on our socials. We're in Facebook, in Pinoy Tales din. Subscribe to our sub YouTube channels in PR Reacts, Pinoy's Place, Pinoy's Tales, Gloco, Tridel, Janila, and all that shit. So we'll see you guys again next time. If you guys have any podcast topics you want us to talk about in the future, do let us know in the comments. Okay? Awesome. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.